Hey social networker, is anyone paying you for inviting friends and family to join their social network? Are you being paid to shop for stuff you're going to buy anyway? If not, then you need to become a smart consumer by joining the ShopInUSCities.com community online. At ShopInUSCities.com, we have all the features you'd expect in a great social network, but we actually reward you for introducing us to your friends and family, and for shopping with local merchants who support our program. Imagine being able to earn points when you invite people to join us and then cash those points in for free merchandise. But wait, it gets better. You also earn points when you shop with local merchants in your community who participate in our program. It's the perfect way to make the dollars you spend work harder for you. Ready to get started? First, go to www.shopinuscities.com. That's www.shopinuscities.com and set up your own personal profile. Next, invite the people you know to do the same, and every time they do, you earn points you can cash in for merchandise. Next, shop with the local merchants in your area who support our program and buy the stuff you're going to buy anyway. All you have to do is send us the receipts for the additional points. It's that simple. Your points are good towards virtually anything you can imagine, including spa certificates, consumer electronics, travel packages, and other stuff you buy regularly. You can even redeem them for free gas. Also, participate in our monthly contests and prize giveaways as you listen into our exclusive consumer community radio show. It's unbelievable. Don't settle for just any social network. Join the one that rewards you for being a smart consumer. The ShopInUSCities.com community online. Don't wait, do it now. Go to ShopInUSCities.com and set up a profile today. Then invite your friends and family. They'll be glad you did, and so will you. Shop in US Cities, where consumers win. Some program features may not be available in your area. Please consult terms and conditions and community rules for more details.